afternoon, YouTube. So basically, I am here today to do an unboxing, and I'm beyond excited about it because, let's see, it was in December. I was on Facebook and I was on the Darynda Jones official Facebook page, and it said, go here for a limited time and order your autographed copy of 6th Grade on the Edge. Personally, for you. And I'm like, sweet! So that's what I did. And I expected it to come on the day that the book was released, and it is now 2 weeks later, tomorrow. And my book is finally here! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Ah! Okay, so I decided to film an unboxing video. I've never done one of these. I might be bad at it, but I'm so excited, and here we go. Tape. So much tape. Shit. Anybody have a knife? Oh my god. I got it. Yay! Maybe. Oh, I see it. I see it. It's in bubble wrap. Come on. Get some. Shit. I don't think these boxes are made for people like me. I still don't have the tape off. This is, look what I've done to this box, and I still don't have it open. Okay, here we go. Nope, that didn't work either. Nope. Nope. Nope, I really need a knife. Okay, this is gonna wind up being hilarious, guys, I'm sorry. Oh! I didn't even... They taped 2 different sides of it. I didn't know that. I thought it was just one strip of tape. Okay. I will get this off. This will be funny as fuck. Okay, come on. Fun fact, I'm an idiot. Still don't have it open. Yay, I'm just ripping the box now. I don't care. Oh my god, it won't let me. What the hell? I can see my book, and I can't get to it. Oh my god, I'm sorry, guys. Ah! Okay. 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 I see more of the book. This is ridiculous. This is what happened to my box. Okay. Are you kidding me? There's more tape? Good night, Gracie. It's like wrong. Oh, I got it. Yay! Maybe, almost. Here we go. Oh, hey, look at that. It just kind of like slides out. It's beautiful! Ah! Yay! Bonus chapter inside early, wow, okay. Only in the print edition. Guys, just so you know. Oh man, corner of my book is effed up. Anyway, just so you know, this book is number 17 on the New York Times bestseller list. Ah, yay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. It's time to open it and see what Darynda said to me. Well, not to me, but it's addressed to me. So, there we go. Oh my god, I got a bookmark! Cool! XOXO, or is it LOL? I don't know. Darynda Jones. Ah, I'm so excited. Ah, yay! Woo-hoo, I feel special. I'm excited, guys. Like, for real excited. I've been waiting on this for forever. And it's finally here. And I just can't wait for this. I really can't. So that is my cheesy unboxing of 6th Grade on the Edge, which, by the way, go get it if you haven't already gotten it. I've got like 4 or 5 videos that ramble on about how awesome Darynda Jones is, and I just can't even begin to tell you. I love her. Go. Now, go yesterday. For the love of God, go. Thank you. And goodbye.